I ain't gonna lie, bro. If you know these shoes, this one right here, them Tommy's, bro, then you probably know, man, how it feels not to have shoes, bro. This is the most uncomfortable shoe I've ever worn in my life, bro. Like, far, bro. It's like you're walking on concrete and shit, bro. Yeah, I feel like I'm stepping on the ground. I feel like I'm walking on my own feet, bro, when I'm wearing this shoe. I don't know why, but yeah, guys. So the Tommy's just dropped a new version, man. You feel me? So there's a brand new version of Tommy's, bro. This uncomfortable shoe ever. So this is the new designs of the Tommy's, man. You feel me? I like how high it is, bro. Like it's like yeah, it's a nice. It's like they made it fashionable now, right? Yeah. So I don't really know whether this thing is still comfortable or what. Still planning to buy a pair, so I'm gonna review it for you guys. So this one goes for 399, which is 400 rand, and the old Tommy's used to be 200, bro. You feel me? Yeah. So that's one thing about the Tommy's, man. The affordability. This shoe has always been affordable, bro. You feel me? Oh, I still remember I used to own this black one and my grandmother had the white ones. Yeah, we used to match, man. You feel me? Back when I was like in primary school, bro, grade like 6, 7, you feel me? I had the Tommy's, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. But yeah, man, this shoe goes for 200 rand, you feel me, at Bash, man, you feel me, at Total Sports. And then the new Tommy's, bro, they are 400 rand, so it's double the price. So which means yeah, this one looks comfortable, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, man, don't forget to subscribe, bro. So when we finally do a test review, man, of this shoe, you are here, man, to come and watch, man. I'm gonna tell you everything, man. I'm gonna tell you if this shit is comfortable, if you can go, you can go far with it, and if I think you feel me, is it reliable enough to actually last, bro? You feel me? So please hit the subscription button there, man, and sharp the bell, and you feel me. Catch you on the flip side.